everywhere except Florida. Florida, they get inland and take all sorts of open habitats. So because Florida is a peninsula, there's some birds that sort of have changed their habitat here compared to other parts of the U.S. Slow-tailed grouse is one that's really widespread inland, while in other places it's not. Only found on the coast. Yeah, I do, but can't do it. Can't do it.